Understanding your strengths is one thing, measuring them is another. In this video, we'll explore tools and techniques that help quantify and validate your organizational strengths, turning vague perceptions into actionable insights. Because when you can measure a strength, you can manage it, grow it, and prove its value. Let's start with performance metrics. This is the most direct way to measure tangible strengths. Think KPIs, key performance indicators. These could include customer retention rates, employee productivity, profit margins, market share, or innovation speed. Strong numbers in any of these areas signal organizational strengths. But don't just look at the raw data. Compare it to industry benchmarks. If you're consistently outperforming the competition, you're likely doing something right. Customer feedback tools are another rich source of strength data. Net Promoter Score, customer satisfaction surveys, online reviews, and social sentiment analysis all offer windows into how well you're serving your audience. High scores or positive patterns can reveal key strengths in service, delivery, or experience. And if your customers regularly mention the same positive attributes, pay attention. Those are your strategic assets. Employee engagement surveys are just as important. Tools like Gallup's Q12, Culture Amp, or Qualtrics can measure morale, leadership trust, team alignment, and more. High engagement usually means strong internal culture, a powerful intangible strength. And if certain departments consistently score higher, you may uncover strengths at the team or leadership level that you can replicate across the business. Financial tools also play a role. Use ratio analysis to assess profitability, liquidity, and efficiency. Tools like QuickBooks, Xero, or more advanced BI dashboards can help visualize your financial strengths clearly. Strong cash flow, low debt-to-equity ratios, or high return on investment, those are strengths worth highlighting in your strategy. Then there's competitive analysis. SWOT is even more useful when it's comparative. Use tools like SEMrush, SimilarWeb, or market research platforms to benchmark your performance against competitors. Are you outranking them in visibility, customer growth, or innovation cycles? These relative advantages are real strengths, especially if they're hard to copy. Internal tools like skill inventories and capability audits are helpful too. These help you map the knowledge, tools, and processes your organization excels in. A capabilities matrix, for example, can identify where your people are most experienced or where your systems are most mature. This is especially valuable during transformation projects or scaling phases. Don't overlook qualitative tools either. SWOT interviews, focus groups, and narrative mapping can uncover subtle but critical strengths that numbers might miss. If your team feels resilient, adaptable, or purpose-driven, those are strategic assets, even if they don't fit neatly into a spreadsheet. Lastly, keep an eye on progress over time. Set up a scorecard or dashboard to track how your strengths evolve. Use this not only to measure what's strong today, but also to spot what's gaining strength. That forward-looking insight helps you invest in what's working before it peaks. The best organizations don't just guess their strengths, they track them, test them, and use them to drive smart decisions. And in the world of SWOT, that's what separates good strategy from great strategy. If you can measure your strengths, you can use them with precision. And that's how you win.